Hello, in this video, you will learn how to reserve a seat in the reading room at the Hoover Institution Library and Archives. If you do not have one already, you will first need to create an account with Aon. Start by requesting material. Go to the Online Archive of California record for the collection and click on the gray Request Item button. This will open Aon and load the guide to the collection. For library materials, go to the SearchWorks record for the title and click the blue Request On-Site Access button at the left-hand side of the page. This will take you to another page where you will have to sign into your Aon account if you have not already done so. Select material by scrolling down to the entries for the material you are interested in and select the checkboxes next to them in priority order. First, select the checkbox for the highest priority item, then select the checkbox for the second highest priority item. Scroll down to the Request Information section. If the collection does not have an inventory or it is attached as a PDF, please enter the requested box and folder information in the Additional Information field. At the bottom of the Request Information section, click New Reservation and a calendar window will pop up. The window takes a second to load. Double-click on the day you would like to visit, and you will be prompted to enter your appointment name, last name, first name, date, start, and end time. Click Schedule when you are ready. You can book the reservation for the whole day as needed. Reservations can be made anywhere between 4 to 8 hours. The reading room is open 8:30 to 4:30, Monday to Friday. Once you complete the form, you will be taken back to the Request Information section where you will click Submit Request. If you would like to request material from multiple collections, once you have created your reservation, it will be saved in the system and available to select in a drop-down menu at the bottom of the page in the Request Information section. To view or edit your reading room reservations, click the Reservation tab at the top of your Aon account. Please note a reservation is confirmed only once you have received a confirmation email from staff. If you have any questions or encounter any difficulties, please contact us at hoover-library-archives@stanford.edu. Thank you for watching.